Bailey, I don't feel good today. Would you do my meetings for me? Would you go to my meetings for me and have run all the errands for me? Would you? Would you? I pay you. I pay you. And would you make me some coffee? I don't even think I want coffee. I don't feel well. Bailey, talk to me. Are you ignoring me? You're not being a very good roommate right now. Dude, Bailey, will you please fix my me not feeling good today? Will you fix it? I think you're ignoring me. I don't feel like playing, dude. I don't feel good. Aw, look, that's how he gives hugs. So cute. Except when I try to hug him back, he gets crazy. He gets crazy wild. Oh, look, him's hugging me. Love you, baby. Now watch. Look, he gets wild. So sweet. Love this baby. I love him.